Hello guys, welcome back again. Today we are going to discuss about the applications of Google Cloud Natural Language API in analyzing and extracting insight from text data. So, Google Cloud Natural Language API is a cloud-based service provided by Google Cloud Platform designed to analyze and extract valuable insight from text data using machine learning. The API offers a range of functionalities that can be applied to various applications, enhancing the understanding and textual content. Here are several applications of Google Cloud Natural Language API. So, number one, sentiment analysis applications, customer feedback analysis. The API can determine the sentiment expressed in text, helping business goals and the overall mood of the customer reviewer, social media comments, or other textual content. This is valuable for business aiming to understand public opinion and about their product or services. Number two, entity recognition. Application content categorization. The API the API identifies entities such as people, organization, location, product, and more in given text. This can be used to categorize and organize large volume of textual data, aiding in content management and information retrieval. Number three, syntax analysis. Application grammar and syntax checking. Syntax analysis helps in understanding the grammatical structure of the sentence. It identifies parts of speech relationship between words and sentence structure. This can be used for proofreading, grammar checking, and language understanding application. Number four, entity sentiment analysis. Number five, content classification. Number six, document summarization. Number seven, named entity recognition. Number eight, intent analysis. Number nine, multilingual support. Number 10, compliance and risk assessment. In summary, the Google Cloud Neutral Language API provide a powerful set of tools for business to analyze and extract valuable insight from text data across a variety of applications, enhancing decision-making process, automatic tasks, and improving overall understanding of textual content. So thank you guys for watching my video.